iGA Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports in the world. iGA Istanbul Airport functions much like a city, and one of these areas is energy and its distribution. In line with our 2050 net zero targets, we are taking a major step by building a 200 megawatt solar power plant in Eskişehir to meet all our energy needs. Once complete, iGA will rank among the world's most sustainable airports. To ensure efficient operation of the solar power plant, we are exploring technologies that support visual inspection and predictive maintenance. Plug and Play Istanbul spotted local and global startups and introduced Hummingdrone to us.
Hummingdrone is a technology startup that digitizes the inspection of solar power plants using autonomous drones and artificial intelligence. We detect 3 times more anomaly types than manual methods and do it just a few hours.
To test the capabilities of Hummingdrone, we arranged a proof of concept and conducted a visual inspection of the solar installation located in the Istanbul Airport car park area. The results were promising. Multispectral aerial inspections revealed improvement opportunities and defects that would not be visible through conventional means.
We added value to bring speed, accuracy, and data-driven insight. We made anomaly detection, prioritization, and decision-making more efficient. We also identified potential fire risks and supported quality control across IGAs, subcontractors, and OEMs. We created a digital twin of solar power plant using our autonomous drones. Then our AI system detect and classify anomalies with 99% accuracy. We prioritize these issues based on their impact and estimate potential production and financial losses. This helps our clients make fast, data-driven, and proactive decisions.
Considering the size and scale of the upcoming iGA Eskişehir solar power plant, we believe that Hummingdrone will be highly beneficial during the commissioning phase. Furthermore, it will contribute in enhancing efficiency in the operation and maintenance stage of the plants. To unlock these efficiencies, we have already started discussions with Hummingdrone regarding system integration, including SCADA compatibility.
Plug and Play Istanbul helped the process run smoothly and connected us with right stakeholders with its strong network and trusted platform in the startup world. It's both real value to this partnership and we truly appreciate their support.